Today, I'm showing you how to download and install the Riot client so you can play Riot games like League of Legends, Valorant, and more. Let's get started. Step 1. Open web browser. Open your preferred web browser. Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari all work fine. Step 2. Visit Riot Games' website. In the address bar, type riotgames.com and press enter. This takes you to the official Riot Games homepage. Step 3. Browse available games. Scroll down on the homepage to see all available Riot games, including League of Legends, Valorant, Team Fight Tactics. Step 4. Select a game. To download the Riot client, you need to download any Riot game. The process is the same regardless of which game you choose. For this tutorial, we'll download League of Legends. Click on the game you want. Step 5. Access download page. The game's official page opens. Look for a Play for Free, Play Now, or Download button in the top right corner of the page. Click on it. Step 6. Sign in or create account. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Riot account. If you don't have a Riot account yet, click Create Account. Accept the terms of service and click Create Account. If you already have an account, simply enter your email and password, then click Sign In. Step 7. Choose your platform. After signing in, you'll see download options for different platforms. Select your operating system. For this tutorial, we're using Windows, so click on Download for Windows. Step 8. Wait for download. The Riot client installer begins downloading. The file is usually around 50 to 100 megabytes. Wait for the download to complete. This takes 30 seconds to a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Step 9. Locate downloaded file. Once downloaded, find the installer file in your Downloads folder. It's typically named something like Install League of Legends.exe or Riot Client Installer.exe. Step 10. Run the installer. Double-click the installer file to launch it. If Windows shows a security warning, click Yes or Run to confirm you want to install the program. Step 11. Start installation. The Riot Games installer window opens. You'll see the Riot Games logo and game artwork. Click Install to begin the installation process. Step 12. Choose installation location and then follow through by giving them necessary permissions and all. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed the Riot client and can now log in and play any Riot Games title from one convenient launcher.